Okay guys, after the success of OnePlus 15, OnePlus is already shaping for the most exciting Android flagship of 2026, which is OnePlus 16. And honestly, some of these leaks sounds absolutely insane. We are hearing a lot about 185Hz display, ultra-thin bezels measuring less than 1mm, a possible 200MP camera, Snapdragon's next-gen chipset, and even battery that could be close to 9000 mAh. Even if half of these things makes it to the final product, the OnePlus 16 could be massive leap forward compared to previous generation. So let's talk about all the leaks about OnePlus 16, but before that, if you guys find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. See, starting off with the display, because this seems to be OnePlus' biggest focus this year. According to the reliable tipsters, OnePlus is currently testing 6.78-inch BOE display with a resolution of 1.5K. But the real highlight isn't the resolution, it's the refresh rate. Earlier rumors suggested OnePlus was testing a crazy 240Hz panel, but newer leaks indicates the company is now leaning towards 185Hz refresh rate. And honestly, that sounds like a much smarter decision. A 185Hz display would still be one of the biggest refresh rate we have ever seen on any flagship smartphone. For comparison, most of the phones still uses 120Hz panel, while the OnePlus 15 moved to 165Hz. So if OnePlus actually launches the OnePlus 16 with a 185Hz display, it will definitely stand out from the competition. The leaks also mentions improvements in the brightness, color reproduction, and power efficiency, which could make the overall viewing experience much better. And refresh rate is not only most exciting part. The thing that caught my attention is the bezel size. According to the leaks, the OnePlus 16 could feature bezels measuring less than 1mm on all the four sides. Most flagship smartphones already have a very thin bezel, but OnePlus wants to push things even further. It may not sound like a huge difference on paper, but visually it can completely transform the experience. Instead of looking at the display surrounded by borders, it starts feeling like you are only looking at content. If OnePlus actually achieves this, the OnePlus 16 could become one of the most immersive smartphone on the market and potentially set a benchmark for smartphone display designs. Now talking about the processor, because there's one detail here that needs a little clarification. The latest leaks mention something called Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro processor. But right now there is no solid evidence that Qualcomm is actually working on the chipset with the exact name. Or it could be an internal engineering name being used during testing. So let's not talk much about this Pro brand. What seems more likely is the OnePlus is testing Qualcomm's next generation Snapdragon 8 Elite platform, which will power most premium Android flagships next year. Either way, performance should not be any concern. This phone is expected to be one of the fastest Android devices in the market. Now talking about the camera, this is where things really gets interesting. OnePlus have been receiving criticism over the last few generations because of their phones offered excellent performance and battery life. Many users felt the camera system still lagged behind brands like Vivo, Xiaomi, Oppo and Samsung. That could finally change with OnePlus 16. According to some leaks, OnePlus is testing a massive 200MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. This is exactly where the smartphone camera needs improvement today. Most flagships already have excellent main cameras, but the moment you start zooming in, the image quality often drops significantly. A high-resolution 200MP periscope sensor could drastically improve zooming photography and helps OnePlus compete directly with the camera phones in the industry. However, Yogesh Bra claims that OnePlus may continue using a 50MP primary sensor while focusing at 200MP sensor on a telephoto camera instead. Personally, I think that is a better approach because zooming photography is where users actually notice the biggest difference too. And now about the battery. Multiple reports suggest that OnePlus is testing a battery approaching 9000 mAh. If this turns out to be true, then the OnePlus flagship, OnePlus 16, could easily become one of the battery champion in the flagship segment. Just imagine getting full 2 days of battery backup without having to worry about charging, combined with OnePlus fast charging technology. What I find most interesting about all these leaks is OnePlus seems to be focusing on things that genuinely improves the user experience instead of purely relying on AI marketing. They are reportedly working on better battery life, better zooming photography, thinner bezels, a more immersive display, and improved efficiency. These are the things people notice every single day while using their phone. And in many cases, they matter far more than the AI features that gets forgotten after a week. And guys, all these information are completely based on the leaks and engineering prototypes. Nothing has been officially confirmed by OnePlus yet, and specifications can always change before launch. According to the current reports, the OnePlus 16 is expected to launch sometime in Q4 2026. So we still have plenty of time for more leaks and information to emerge. So guys, these were all the leaks about OnePlus 16. If OnePlus manages to deliver all of this, the OnePlus 16 could easily become one of the most complete Android flagship of 2026. So which feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.